Hi there. Welcome to another edition of Down to Business. I'm Karen Hageland, a realtor at First Weber Realty. And today I'm not in West Allis like I usually am. I'm at my office in Glendale. And I'm going to introduce you to Ben Olson, who is a loan officer with Prosperity Mortgage. Prosperity partners with First Weber in all our offices all over the Milwaukee area, and they provide you with exceptional service with loans. So if you are looking to buy a home in the near future, pay close attention to what Ben has to say, and you can contact me to put you in touch with him. So this is Ben Olson. Thank you for sitting down with me today, Ben.
Yeah, absolutely.
So what inspired you to get into the mortgage business?
Well, I think the whole home buying process can be pretty stressful if you don't have someone to help walk you through, what's required, what's not required, how to get through.
Especially the first time, right?
Exactly. And so I just want to be there for those who need me and just help people get in their home.
Do you have any? Does it run in the family at all? Did your parents or grandparents?
No, actually, all my family basically bought their first house and stayed. So
okay.
we never talked too much if it was they were afraid to try and move again or just.
Okay, yes, and there's a lot of learning and teaching that needs to be done, especially the first time. It can be very different for people buying their house for the first time, so it's really great to have somebody close by, right, and not trying to get a hold of somebody on the phone from, a big company, somewhere in California or the other side of the world, right?
Oh yeah.
So why did you choose to work with Prosperity then?
I really liked how Prosperity, they want us to succeed. All of our lending officers, we constantly have trainings. We're staying up to date on anything that updates with the market. Any new products that come out, we're always on the leading edge of that. But it's also really nice because, as you know, we are directly in the office. I know what realtors need. I know how they like me to communicate with their customers, and that way it's a closer bond. It's someone you trust. So hopefully you can convey that, and the customers know you trust me, and they're more willing to trust as well.
Right, and people tend to trust people more and get to know them if they're in person and have, you can actually talk to a person and, like I said, not, from across the world or the country.
Exactly.
So what does Prosperity offer that other companies don't?
What's really nice about Prosperity is we're always available. As kind of a smaller company, we focus more on just being there for customers. We're not a 9 to 5. We're always available nights and weekends in case there is any issues that come up. I've had plenty of people text me on Saturday saying that they're putting in an offer and they need an updated letter.
Right, and I can attest to that as a realtor. Whenever we try to get a hold of our loan officers, they're always available pretty much any time of day or night. So they do a great job with that. And do you have a favorite type of client that you like to work with?
I really like working with first-time buyers. They're usually super excited. It's a huge step, whether it's someone who's getting married and they're moving out of their rentals into the home, or people moving closer to their grandkids. All that sort of stuff. Just they get excited. They're more willing to learn. They're more willing to ask questions and not only help me stay on top of things and keep me thinking about what's going on with their process, but they're always super excited, and it's great whenever we can get them in a home.
And so the end result is always, just is very happy, exciting occasion.
Yep.
Yeah, it's always great to be able to help someone, especially in this market now, when it can be a difficult process for first-time home buyers or for anybody for that matter. And once you get all the way through and goes smooth, it's just really a good feeling.
Yeah, any stress I can help take off their plate, it's a crazy market right now. As if I can make the lending process easier and they're just looking, and that's
the hardest part, especially for first-time buyers, is getting started. People don't know where to start, and they don't know, the questions to ask, and you guys are here to really guide them through that every step of the way. It's great. And are you is the company offering any kind of special programs or promotions right now?
Yeah, so we've got our second opinion, which basically, if a buyer has already talked to another mortgage company about getting pre-approved, if they come to us, we'll either meet or beat whatever rate has been offered. Otherwise, we offer an extra $1,000 towards their closing costs if they choose to work with us.
Okay,
And
yeah,
again,
that can be a big deal.
yeah, we like to stay competitive. We like to try and stay on top of everything. And like I said, just anything we can do to help make this a little bit more
Make things happen
Yep.
and make it as easy as possible. Yeah, and things change as time goes on, and as the market changes and stuff. They offer different programs depending on what's going on with the market. So it's always a great place to, at least to start, to talk to somebody, even if you're not sure, what you can afford, or if you even can qualify for a loan. But it's really a great, way to just start the process and talk to somebody like Ben, and I can help you do that. So is there anything else you can think of that we didn't cover, or anything you want to put out there?
I guess I would just like to say, I'm always willing to be a resource. Like you were saying, if you're not sure where to start, if you just want to have a conversation, I'm always available, just to help get you on the right steps. And whether or not you work with me, I know people have friends and family who also do this,
Right.
but always there to help with those first few steps.
Yeah, and a lot of people don't know, especially first-time buyers, that you can shop. You don't have to work for the bank that you bank at. I mean, you can shop for loans, and you can get opinions from different people, and because you can get different programs out there. So don't be afraid, to talk to a couple people and see what's available for you. So anyway, well, thanks so much, Ben. I really appreciate you taking the time. And again, Prosperity is all over. They're at all our offices in the Milwaukee area. We have quite a few of them. And again, I work out of the North Shore office in Glendale, and this is where Ben's office is too. But just like realtors, loan officers work, with anybody almost anywhere, in the area. So you don't have to live in a certain area in order to, to talk to him or talk to me. So please, my information is right on this site. You can go under the Realtor tab, the Realty tab, and get all my information, and I can put you in contact with Ben if you're interested in talking to him. Even if it's, a year or so down the road you're thinking, it's always good to get the process started early so that you know what you can expect. And that makes the process a lot smoother. So hope you come back next time, and we'll see you all soon. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.